the only reason I dropped this level was because of the one ship transition at 61%, which took away most of my wave attempts, so yeah. I don't know, maybe I'll beat this sometime in the future, but for now I'm done.